connect the dots. You pick up the pieces. He says, you know, I can see two tiny pictures of myself and then one in each of your eyes.